How to sign out YouTube account on your Android device. So there are two ways in doing this method. The first thing that you can do is just to go directly from your phone settings, and in here just scroll down a little bit till you find this option that says Google or from your Xiaomi account, since this is a Xiaomi device. So for you to be able to log out of all devices from either your YouTube or from your Google Play Store, then you'll have to manually log out your account directly from your phone Google main account. Now the other thing that you can do is to manage or to switch to a different account from directly to your YouTube application. To do so, just simply pull up your YouTube app and then go directly to your current profile or your channel, which is located at the lower right portion of your phone. Then here what you want to do is just go directly to this gear icon located at the top right portion and then go to switch account. And right there you just have to switch to a different account for you to be able to log out the current account. And that's it. That's how you sign out YouTube account using your Android.